big decision there. Here to discuss with us is National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael Jaafar, now knowing sort of the direction that the defense is going to go, I know you've sort of been firmly in the prosecution's camp. Basically, Michael Yannetti said something that David Yannetti, excuse me, said something that was very interesting. He said something to the effect of no collision, no case. And I say that in relation to this third-party culprit defense. If you've got to get past the collision part to get to this third-party culprit, do you think they've gotten there to the point where it's even going to matter?
I don't think the defense is going to win the day on that one, because I think the jury is going to make the reasonable inference that there was a collision because the taillight pieces were found in his clothing. They were woven into his, they weren't just around his body, they were in his clothing. So I feel like, and we know that the experts that the state brought on, even the cross-examination of one of the experts of the defense, it came out that it wouldn't really necessarily tell you that there's a collision in the Lexus data, even if there was a collision. It could have been a collision, and it wouldn't have been recorded as an event in the Lexus. So I believe that the jury will make the reasonable inference that there was a collision. Look, reasonable doubt is contextual, right? Context matters. If two people are on Mars by themselves and one is found dead with a gunshot wound in the back, I think we will infer reasonably that the other person shot him in the back without anything else. I'm not saying this is as extreme as two people being on Mars, you know, Karen Read and John O'Keefe, but they're closer to that than just like, we just don't know what happened. Anybody could have done it.
That's fair. That's absolutely fair. But again, does that rise to the level of beyond a reasonable doubt? That's always been my question, because I'm with you, Mike, on that analysis that you just gave. All right, folks, I do have to step aside.